55% of the US's transformers are over 33 years old. They're going to need to be replaced pretty soon. And because of all the new data center, EV, and renewable projects, transformer capacity needs to increase by 260% in the next couple of decades. What does all this mean? It means there's going to be a massive demand for transformers. If you're building one of these new data center or renewable projects, you're competing with the same short supply as the rest of the market. You're going to need a plan to get the equipment you need. Here are 3 ways you can do this. First, plan to purchase in advance. Try to procure transformers early in the project planning process. The sooner you can acquire the materials and secure the production slot, the more insulated you are from increased demand and supply chain issues. Second, design with flexibility in mind. The more specialized and uncommon your transformer is, the harder it is to procure. By designing your projects with common or flexible specs, you'll have a higher likelihood of getting what you need faster. This may mean using common voltages or remanufactured transformers instead of new. Lastly, build for the future. This means ordering transformers with future capacity in mind. If you plan on expanding, you may buy a slightly larger transformer than your current needs, or purchase a unit with a dual temperature rise for additional overload capacity. Build infrastructure today that will support your future growth. Here at Maddox, we have thousands of new and remanufactured transformers in stock, ready to ship, and we have a large stock of common voltages in yards across the US. We're ready to get you powered on with the transformers you need when you need them.